Hey, Dave here. Today we are going to take a look at my 2015 Civic EX. It's got weather stripping that has been discolored. The rubber is dry and brittle. And we're going to go ahead and put on some weather stripping I ordered on Amazon, and I'll show you how to do it. It's not that hard. The tools you'll need are number 2 screwdriver, a plastic pry. I wouldn't suggest using a metal one. And here are our new weather strips, which I will include a link in the video. All right, well, let's start with the back door. Open this up. And what we'll see right here is a screw. You need to take that guy out. Okay, now that it's out, you can just kind of get your fingers in here, kind of pry that off. And what holds it, see this guy right here? He's kind of spring loaded. That's going to hold it right there in that channel. And right here is where that guy's going to fit. And then this guy fits over that guy. Now you grab your pry, fit it up under here, and I gently lift up on it. Again. Where's this guy? Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. This was a lot harder than the other side. I think it's because the sun has damaged this side more and like melted the rubber onto the metal. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I'm trying to get the pry underneath and pry it real hard. It wasn't coming out. So I had to kind of get this fat side in there and just keep prying, digging until I heard the clips give way, and a lot of the clips ended up actually breaking and fell down into the door. But they're plastic, they're down at the end of the door. I'm not gonna bother worrying about it. When you open the door, they don't rattle. So it is what it is. This little clip wanted to hang around. So I'm gonna pry him out. Come on, you. There goes that piece. Anyway, you get the idea. All right, like I said, that was far harder than the other side. So what I'm gonna do is just take a rag and kind of clean out all the grime and dirt and debris in there. Make sure it's good and clean for the install. Okay, so I take the old strip and I put it next to the new strip, and I align these clips to be about the same relative position as the old strip, just in case that matters. So you can see the channel is now cleaner. I'm gonna set this guy, the clips on the inside, and there. I'm gonna try to nudge him down in there. Oh, there was my culprit. And then you're just gonna pop him into place. You'll feel the little snaps. Don't worry, you can still push him up because it'll slide. Now you want to make sure that you get that rubber right up against that metal. If it's not, you want to just push down a little bit harder on it. And I guess to clarify, I meant that little thin strip right there. You want him all the way flush with your metal. Okay, this part's a little tricky. You're going to want to get that guy, that hole first. But you also want to get that little tab underneath that lip. So you kind of do that. Make sure this guy doesn't want to try to sneak out. And then you just kind of pressure fit that guy in on the top. He's in there. Again, put the screw right there. All right, let's try for the front door now. Wonder if it's gonna be as much fun as the back door. Same concept. The screw's gonna be right here, and that's gonna release this plate. It's gonna go upward, so you'll open the door. I'll show you that. Okay, so the screw's out. We just push some upward pressure like this. Comes out. So again, working from the back up to the front. Ooh, this one came out easy. Hot damn. Then I can just lift this out. Sweet. I like that. Oh, I should have told you guys about that. If you have a wind guard in here like this, you want to take that out and start over. Okay, take 10. This guy's gonna pull out. Just kind of gently pry it. And that's gonna, there we go. Comes right out. A little dirty, we'll clean that up. Again, I kind of like to slide these little plastic guys where the other ones were. May or may not matter. Just take your finger and push them over. About the same general place. Get it prepped up for the install. All right, so we got it cleaned up. I'm gonna start the front here. Push that in. Work our way down. And remember, we can still slide this. So positioning isn't all that important. I want to line that guy up. It looks pretty lined up. And that looks, let's push it down a little bit. I'll just adjust a little bit. There we go. All right. Pull that a little bit. We'll see. Make sure the rubber guy is flush all the way down. Looks all right. Okay, so you're gonna want that tab to fit in that T slot. Same with that one. Go for there, and make sure that that fits inside of there. You can actually lift this up a little bit if you need to. And you just push it down. Make sure that's all pushed down. And then you put the screw back in. All right, let's wrap this up. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I'd probably have to give this a 10. For this cheap, it's only like $30. Did a great job of being, you know, a nice fit. It's about the same color. The rubber looks good. We don't know how long it'll last, but if it does go bad, I can always replace it. Yeah, I'd have to recommend this product. Scale from 1 to 10 on how hard it was to do. You know, for a do-it-yourselfer, maybe a 1, maybe a 2, depends on your aptitude. But yeah, dig it, like it, buy it.